Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to view your wish list on Amazon. If you've been saving items for later or tracking products you want to purchase, this quick guide will show you exactly where to find them all in one place. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. Make sure you're logged in so you can access your personalized wish list and all the items you've saved. After signing in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see a menu option labeled Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this section and a drop-down menu will appear with various account management options. From this menu, navigate to Your Lists. This is where Amazon stores all your saved collections, including wish lists, shopping lists, and other curated item groups. Once you're in the Your Lists section, you'll see several list options available. Click on Wish List to open it. This is your main wish list where you've been adding all those items you're interested in but haven't purchased yet. It's a convenient way to keep track of products across different categories without cluttering your cart. And there you have it. You can now view all the items and products you've added to your wish list. From here, you can browse through your saved items, remove things you're no longer interested in, or move forward with purchasing items when you're ready. It's a simple process that gives you quick access to everything you've been eyeing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.